that's a process file of PHP. Now that's a simple introduction to PHP. So what you're going to do right now, we are going to follow the syllabus of W3 schools. So I'll just search PHP W3 schools. Then shall come to learn PHP with W3 school tutorial. I've already shown you how to install PHP using XAMPP. I've already shown you the syntax of PHP, that we must have opening bracket and closing, and every line must end with a what? With a semicolon. Okay, every line must end with a semicolon. And if I want to comment something, I just put these double slashes, then it will be commented, and that line will have no effect inside our project. Okay, it is case sensitive. For example, if I have the last age and another one is last age, these two variables are not the same. That's what's meant by case sensitive. So you can just come and read along this theory part. So we begin with what? With variables. So I'm going to create a file for PHP variables. So to create a new file, I'll just simply press Ctrl N. Ctrl N, I'll be able to create a new file. And then I'll save it by just pressing Ctrl S. And then I'll call it variables. Let me call it one_variables. I'm giving it ones that I should know the order that I'm following. PHP. So all your PHP files should have extension of .php. Otherwise, if it does not have .php, then it will have no meaning. So I'll simply come here to localhost and then remove this test.php, and then I'll have that simple and empty folder. So inside here, I'm going to start practicing what is variable. So to create a variable in PHP, just like the way I told you, you just put a $sign and then the name of that variable, and you'll be able to do what? To create that variable. It is not so sensitive like C++, like C programming, that you have to specify whether it's an integer or what. No, in PHP it's just simple. You just begin PHP and then say, I can say here name is equal to, then this is a string by putting double quotes, maybe Bira Halima, and then at the last it must have a semicolon. Okay, so what else I can say? Country is equal to Kenya. Okay, so those are two variables, and I can put maybe weight 49. So those are what? Those are variables. I can even put 0.0. So it doesn't matter whether it is a float or what. So if I want to combine these things, I can just simply say echo. I just put a string. My name is. So if I want to concatenate the name, I will use dot to concatenate. You shall look at it, but just for now, know that we use dot to attach another string. My name is name. I then put dot, comma. I come from. Then I put dot, and I put what? Country. Put dot to concatenate, comma. I say I weigh. I hope that's the spelling of weigh. And then put dot, and then put the what? The variable of weight. And then put dot, put kgs, put semicolon at the last. So if I come and refresh, you can see we have made the sense out of the different variable that we created. So my name is that, I come from that, I weigh this. You see, variables, you don't need to write too much complicated things. Just $sign with the name of the variable, and then you initialize it with whatever you want. Whether it's a string, surround with double quotes. If it's a integer or float, just give the value, and those variables will take care of themselves. So we have these are the simple rules that we have to follow when creating variables. Rule number 1: every variable must start with a $sign. Rule number 2: a variable must start with an underscore or a character. You cannot start with another funny thing.